Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to delete your Suno AI accounts in 2025. Whether you are switching platform, tracking a break from AI music, or just want to remove your data, I will walk you through the full step-by-step process. Let's jump right in. First, a quick hands up. Once you delete your Suno AI account, all your saved song, prompts, and credits will be permanently lost. If you are on a paid subscription, make sure to cancel your subscription first to avoid feature charge. So be 100% sure before deleting your account. So first of all, first step is log into your Suno AI. Go to the official Suno AI website and log into your with the account you want to delete. Then make sure you are using the correct login, whether it's through Google, Discord, or email. Once you are login, here I have entered in Suno AI websites and already I have login. And once you are login, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then from the drop down menu, choose settings or account settings. Here you can see the account settings. This is where you can manage your profile, subscription, and data. Then inside your settings, scroll down until you find delete account or close my account. Suno might ask you to confirm your process, password, or re-authentication your login. This is just for security reasons. Then you can see the connected accounts are here, you can see, and also you can add multiple accounts in a Suno AI. And here you can see the three dot options to click this, and you can see once you click delete, you will see a warning message or something else. It will remind you that all songs, credits, and data will be lost permanently. If you are sure it confirm or delete account, after that your account will be deactivated and then permanently removed. If you don't see the delete options in your settings, you can always contact Suno AI supports. Just scroll to the bottom of the websites, click help or support, and send them a request to delete your account. They usually process this request within a few days. And that's it. That's how you delete your Suno AI account in 2025. Remember, cancel your subscription first, save any music you want to keep, and then follow the step to permanently remove your account. Hope you are enjoying this video. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channels.